Hello, zdravo, kako ste? Ja sam super. Hoću da pričam neke stvari sa vama. Od such a second, just 1 minute, sorry you guys, pardon me. I just have something in my, my throat. Nešto sam pojela pa mi nešto u grlo ostalo. There was something just in my throat. Sorry, excuse me, pardon me. I ate something, so just didn't, sorry. Okay. I'm good now. Okay, dobro mi je sada, sad sam dobro. I wanted to actually talk to you guys about, like, one thing I've noticed, actually, because from having like a cleaning company and all this stuff for a very long time, one thing I've noticed, neke stvari što sam primijetila kako su jako bezobrazni prema ljudima kada čiste okolo jako nisu, ne samo možda 40%, 30% kažu hvala, pa su jako sretni što ljudi, što im neko to radi za njih, što pomogne da nije samo za njih, nego što im jesu da je svako da čisto okolo, da svako može da uživa. Like, I've noticed something that with the cleaning people, like a lot of individuals, a lot of you guys out there, it's like only 30% of people are very nice, but the rest of them, it's just like they kind of look super down upon them. So I want to kind of explain something to you. It's like if you guys didn't have somebody that does stuff like that for them, like that, keeps it's not for you, it's not doing stuff for you, it's not doing kind of like it's like for everybody, like the whole environment to be clean, not to be like to be filthy. And just imagine if they didn't have anybody that cleaned, like cleaningness or like cleansingness and cleaning never existed in this world, what this world would be like. It just, how disgusting it would be, how it just, da nikada nije ovo poslo, da se ne postoji, da se čisti. Kakva bi ova zemlja izgledala? Jako bi bila prljava, jako bi bila grozna, jako gadno, samo da povratiš. You would just throw up, right? Puke, yes. Okay. So, you know what? Ljudi kada čiste okolo, molim te vas, molim te, jel možete da budete nekada fini prema njima, da nekada priđete prema njima, prema tome osobe i kažete hvala vam što ovo radite, da se zahvaljivate. You guys should be also thankful, right? Zahval se nekome. Thank somebody for doing stuff like this, all right? Don't look down upon them, don't be rude to them, don't and so on, right? I takve stvari. Like, and things like that. Sam to jako primijetila. You know what? I've noticed that a lot, and I don't know. Ja sam to primijetila puno. No, like I really noticed that a lot. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, and you know what? It just, kad ste bezobrazni prema takvim ljudima, onda ti ljudi neće da ili ako treba da urade to, da to rade, neće, to samo urade samo zbog pare, samo bez samo nešto baci na brzinu, hoće staje zdravo. To nije da hoće da lijepo da urade, da sve čuvaju čisto, samo na brzinu i zdravo. Like i kad tako ponašate prema takvim ljudima, prema ljudima, right? Ako se tako ponašate, niko neće, nikoga ne briga, right? Onda svak će namjer samo baca, sve polomi, sve baci, sve prljava pa i ne briga. You know, when you treat people like that, those cleaners, what's going to happen is, I'm going to tell you now, it's what a lot of them do. It has nothing to do with me. Nema ništa sa mnom. It's nothing to do with me. It's because how
in general, in public, whatever. That's how this world is made, how people, how we're made, right? Everybody's different, right? Ali svako drugačiji. Sorry. And then, yeah, svako drugačiji. Sorry, izvini, moja kamera me bila pala. So they're just not, they're gonna do a quick job, a quick whatever. They don't care about the job, they won't care, just kind of sloppy, something like that, blah, blah, blah. And then it's just, oh, very good. That's good enough, to je dobro, and just some kind of like a little wipe. Just kind of like, let's say you're washing clothes or something, just kind of throw it and jam it in there. Jam it, come on, jam it. And then, good enough. To je dosta. I tako, ako ste vi bezobrazni prema ljudima, tako će ljudi da rade. I pogotovo ako rade u vašoj kući ili u restoranima, ili da je god malo drugačije u restoranu ili u vašoj kući. Especially if you treat people like that. So it's different in your own home, like in your own house, if you have a cleaner. Ako imate nekoga ko vam čisti tvoje kuće, to je malo drugačije u vašoj kući, u vašoj dom. But, like, it's different, like, yeah. It's cleaning at your own home or in a restaurant or whatever, right? Wherever. Ili gdje god. Yeah, I tako će se desi. Yeah, that's basically what's up. Like, that's... Come on, guys. Like, use your brain. Like, be a little, like... It's not for me. I'm not attacking you. I'm not, like... It just, but kind of, like, think about it, right? Like... Malo uzmite mozak, imate mozak, right? You do have a brain, so use it. Onda uzimate. And be nice to people, because those people, like, honestly, the reason I'm like that, because I used to be in that little part before, and people would always kind of push, you know, guraju. And you know what? But I'm different, because my company, that's different. But for somebody else that doesn't have a company, za nekog drugoga, za neku drugu osobu što nema kompanije, onda budite jako fini prema njima. Nema veze koja je ta osoba. And be very nice to that person. It doesn't matter who the hell they are, or whatever they are. Like, tako sam ja prije bila svakome, ono, gura, ajde, ide, makni. And it just, no, ja to mrzim. To me tako na živce, prije me uvijek išlo na živce, ali sad je malo drugačije zato što radim za sebe, za svoju kompaniju. So now it's a little bit different because I work for myself now and I have my own ways, na moj način, kako imaš svoju kompaniju i kako trčiš, kako vaša kompanija, kako vam ide, kako radite stvari u svojoj kompaniji. I tako ja radim, tako je moja. Svaka kompanija je malo drugačija. You know, every company is a little bit different, but that's how I do mine. I have my own particular ways, I set ways, and i tako imam moje stvari. So, you guys, kada vidite nekad idete na kupovinu ili ne idete u restoran, vidite nekako što je ili na kupovinu, mall, tako nešto, i vidite neko ili prodavnicu ili neđe, da hoćete, budite fini prema njima. When you guys go like shopping or something, and you go to the store or whatever, and like, especially the shopping centers in the mall, at the mall, and you see somebody, like, don't kind of like, excuse me, like, don't. Don't. Nemojte, molim te, nemojte tako da se ponašate. Do not act like that. Like, really, like, grow up. And, like, many years, okay, you guys, the reason I'm gonna tell you now is, I've been through so much with this company stuff, with different people, and different places. Like, before I got my cleaning business, I was working for other people, and it just wasn't fun, because everybody just, when people push you around non-stop, it's just not fun. But now I don't have to worry about it, alright? Like, now I make my own ways, my own rules. So ja ne se brinem o tome. But for anybody out there, like, oni ljudi što čiste, all the cleaners out there who don't have their business, oni ljudi što nemaju svoju kompaniju, budite fini prema njima. Like, be very nice to them, okay? Because that's not a fun job. Zato što to nije nikako fin posao, ono, jako je gadan. Kakve gadne stvari moraju da urade. What kind of gross, some gnarly, disgusting things they have to go through. Like, you know, come on. Hajde. Uzmite mozak, use your brain, and be nice, i budite fini, i uzmite mozak, So zato vam je Bog dao mozak. That's why God gave you a brain. It's reality and it's the truth. To je kako jeste. It is what it is. Now. Yeah. I to je sve. And that's basically it. Yeah. I to je sve. Ajde. Da vas svi volim. And ćemo da se pričamo posle sa vama. Ću posle sa vama da pričamo. I love you guys all and I will talk to you guys later. Ako hoćete na moj kanal, if you want to go on my channel, ćete moj kanal da me vidite moje stvari što sam snimila. If you want to go on my channel to see the stuff I recorded and all this business stuff, za kompanije stvari, za druge stvari, a whole bunch of other things. Neke druge stvari pritisne na moj kanal. Na YouTube. J Batlak Production. Broj 1, broj 2. Broj number 1, number 2. Batlak Production Blog. Broj 3. Number 3. Jen Batlak. Za moju muziku, for my music stuff. Moju muzičku, my SoundCloud i takve stvari. And SoundCloud. I broj 4, and number 4. Jen Batlak. So, ili idete na Google, if you want to go on Google, na Google je, Google, crtica YouTube Jen Batlak. Google/YouTube Jen Batlak. To je na Google, to vam je na Google. That's on the Google, na Google stranicu, on the Google page, on the YouTube stranicu, or the YouTube page. Oh, my kafe. Anyways, Virginia, vidim moje čaše, moju kafu. Look at my coffee. Look at my cup. Čaš. Yeah. Super. Super duper. Okay. Ciao. Bye.